You shake your body. Come on, you shake your body. Shake, 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 shake. Group yourselves into one. Into one. Bend your knees. Come on, bend your knees. Group yourselves into zero. Into zero. Shake, shake. Into one. Into zero. Into one. Into zero. Into one. Into three. Go! Group yourselves into three. Come on. Group yourselves into three. O kuya, dali. Mangita ng partner, kuya. O, kuha na mo. Lima na mo, dali. Amin ang luha. O, dali. Three. And then, three. And to those kids nga dili makompleto sa number nga kung ihatag automatic out. So you need to hurry up in looking for your group. Okay? So nakuha ra kids? Yes or yes? Yes. O, balik na sa zero. Balik. Balik na sa circle. Go back to the circle and let's have round one. Ate, okay ra ka ate? Are you good? Kasi language sa ni ma'am. Ate, okay ra ka ate? Okay ra, high five sa tabi. Yun. Okay. Round one na round one. Everyone, group yourselves into zero. You shake your body. Shake, shake, shake. Group yourselves into one, into zero, into one, into zero, into one, into four. Go! Group yourselves into four. Upat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Upat na.
Four lang.
Ang dili, mahimong upat ha. Palingkuro na nako. Another 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2,
Doy, four mo, Doy.
and 1. Oh, sige. Sila rin makadaog, ani? Pagkita ko mo, group yourselves into 4. Another 5 seconds more into group yourselves into 4.
Four, kamu four,
One,
Ari. EJ,
four,
EJ.
3, 2,
Ari,
and
buka
1.
ni.
Dara si ate na lang nagpapaya. Come here. Dali sa ate. So we have 13 in all. And into zero, into one, into zero, into one, into zero, into one, into zero. Okay ra ka kuya? Oh, okay ra. Sige. O, basta gihangat ha. Sige. Come on, group yourselves into zero, into one, into zero, into one, into zero, into one, into zero, into four. Go! 4, 10, 9. Yon. Oh, thank you kuya. Dagan kayong salamat. Maka nakatipaning kamot yung sok-sok ate ha. Oh. My bet is for you. O, para yun mo ako ang tayaan eh. Now we have 8. Go back to your circle. Balik sa circle. Igsuon mo, kuya. Come on, igsuon. Okay, sige. Come here. Yun. Atras pa, kuya. Atras. Atras pa, atras. Sige, atras pa, kuya. Ready? And group yourselves into zero. You shake your body. Come on, shake. It's 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, and to 3. Go! 3, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yun! We have 3 and 3. What's your name? Grabe si Kuya. Ay, mapagbigay man. So, igsoon ka sila. Grabe ka si Kuya. No? Ikaw na lang diya kay umakadaw ka gawsan lat. Apil tag kuyo. Okay. Kuya, high five. Thank you so much for joining. And what's your name? Ito, Andres? Ha? Dilis. O, Kuya Dilis, dagan kayong salamat. You may take your seat. So we have 3 kids more left. O, balik sa circle. Come on. O, balik sa circle. Kuya, igsoon sa mong duha? Igsoon mong duha, Kuya? O, bantog ra. O, pareha kay Pulo, no? Kasi mama, ani. O, tara. Sige, okay. Atras, come on. You move backward. And group yourselves into 0. 0, shake your body. Come on. Shake, shake, shake. Into 1, into 0. Oh, ganahan kay kung kuya, chill ra kayo madan. Gana, grabe spell. Kung an kayo, no? Chill ra kayo ba? Relaxing ra kayo. Okay, come on. Group yourselves into 0. Into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, and 2. Oh, di mailad, oy. Di mailad yun. Inso pa to, pa number. Balik. Group yourselves into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 4. Go! 5, 4. Kompleto man. Pila edad? Pila edad? How old are you? 13. What grade are you now?
7.
Grade 7. What's your favorite subject?
Math.
Oh, why math? There's a lot of subjects in high school now, but why do you choose math? Kaya naman. Ano, mutan naman ka. Okay. Kuya, what's your name? Kurtz. Ha? Lords. Pagkadaghan ni... Lawrence. O, ginawa ko. Sorry, kuya. Kuya Lawrence, pala edad? 8. O, saan ka graduha ka ron? Ano sa to? Grade 3. Favorite subject? Oh, butang bata ni ESP. Edukasyon sa unsa man ang P sa ESP? Edukasyon sa basta mauna to ay ESP. Thank you so much Kuya for joining. A round of applause for them. Oh, come here. We have 4. Dali na. Or another round na ta, another round. See, come here.